We can get a beautiful harvest out of our vegetable plants if we have an organic fertilizer. A nutrients-enriched fertilizer helps growing vegetables in a very healthy way. So in this video, I am going to show you an amazing liquid fertilizer for your vegetable garden. This liquid have many healthful benefits for your plants that we will discuss in this video, so keep watching. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. In the recent video, we have discussed about making a liquid fertilizer from different components, and they might not available everywhere. So in this video, the liquid that we are going to make can be prepared for free and insanely easy to make. 3 macronutrients are very useful when we are growing vegetable plants. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, all of them have very important roles in growing vegetable plants. This liquid fertilizer provides instant energy to your vegetable plants that helps when the plant is producing flowers. This liquid fertilizer have almost all type of nutrients that a plant requires at the flowering stage. It have potassium that makes the fruit more tasteful. It also have phosphorus that plays a very important role in growing a healthy root structure. Roots are the basic part of a plant that makes the immunity more and more stronger. This type of black spots appears very commonly on the leaves when the plant is facing calcium deficiency. This liquid fertilizer also have calcium that also keeps the diseases away from your vegetable garden. Smaller amounts of other micronutrients like iron, copper, magnesium, etc. are also present in this liquid fertilizer, and this thing makes it more and more effective for your vegetable plants. Keeping all of these benefits in mind, it become extremely important to try this liquid fertilizer on our vegetable plants for once. The main and only thing we require to make this liquid fertilizer is the orange's skin. Orange peels have an NPK value of 0:2.9:27, that is best to use on vegetable plants. They are also very easily available and free to use. It is very easy to make a liquid fertilizer out of that. You just have to put them in a water container. It will be great if you can break them into smaller pieces for a faster decomposition. Make sure this liquid is placed under a shade for at least 3 to 5 days. After 3 to 4 days, the color of this liquid had turned yellowish. That means the nutrients are ready to get absorbed. Follow up the same method to apply this liquid, otherwise it can be confusing. I have also made an article on making this liquid fertilizer that can help you understanding these points. The article link is added in the description and on our website 𝑃ureGreeny.com. First thing you need to do before applying this liquid is to dig the upper layer of soil and let it dry for some days. It is like a rule to apply any liquid fertilizer only when the soil mix is dried. Otherwise you may found this type of fungal growth on the soil surface. If some of the roots break during this, then it is okay, because it works like the pruning of roots. Now dilute this liquid fertilizer with 5 parts of more water. This diluted liquid fertilizer have a low concentration that wouldn't harm the roots. You can apply this diluted liquid fertilizer on almost all type of your vegetable plants. It helps to induce new buds and more flowers on the plant. It strengthens the root system of the vegetable plants for a consistent and healthier growth. You can apply about a glass of this liquid on 10 inches of pot. 100 milliliter of this liquid is enough for a small 5 inches of pot. Small amount for smaller pots and large amount for larger pots. Best time to apply this liquid fertilizer is in the evening time, so the roots can absorb it for the whole night. This liquid fertilizer works best when the plant is going through the flowering stage. Apply it on all your vegetable plants every 10 days for at least 3 to 4 times for quality results. So this is the whole video. Hope you find this helpful. For any question, comment below, and don't forget to visit our site from description link. If you wants to know more about different liquid fertilizers and their benefits, then check out this